Welcome back to another session of Richard Katzman fly tying. I have a very small in length, medium-sized red tube in the vise. Tie this with Viva Stomach red thread. Wrap that around. And okay, and put in a half hitch knot, and I'm going to take some of these after feathers, from a rusty feather, and I'm just going to go ahead and tie that in. Take a light brown feather, and I'm just going to cut that off. And I'm going to pull back the fibers. I'm going to go ahead and tie that in. And now I'm going to take the sharp end of my scissors, and I'm just going to go ahead and rub that against the stem, and bring my thread up to the front. And I'm going to go ahead and bring the just going to bring this on up to the front, and we're going to take my thread and we're going to go ahead and tie that in, and we'll put in a half hitch knot. Now I'll take a couple of feathers that are light and dark brown together. Okay. And we'll turn this over. And we'll cut that feather off, and then I'll pull back on the fibers on this side, and reach in there and cut off that feather. Okay, and take another one of those pale brown rusty feathers, and we're going to tie that in. In the front. And I'm going to take Okay. And now I'm going to take my whip finish tool okay, and we'll cut that off. Okay, and now I need to get a hook for this, and we'll take a size 8 bait hook, and I'm going to mash down the barb down near the point, and then I'm going to mash down both barbs up on top. Straighten that out a little bit. Take out my mandrel. And this, my friends, is called the Rusty Brown. A nice little fuzzy fly. It's going to be a floater on top of the water. And this is what you're going to see from underneath. And I think it's going to do extremely well. Now there you are, a Rusty Brown. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click my photo down at the right hand lower corner of the page. And on the next page, click on the bell, which will let you know every time a new upload is uploaded to YouTube. And finally, if you'd give me a thumbs up on this fly, I'd appreciate it. And any comment that you would like to leave in the comment section. And I look forward to seeing you on our next upload. Until then, have a great day and tight lines.